Yeah, so hey guys, today we are going to call JavaScript function from the C++. Even though JavaScript function is based on some, depend on some library, still it is going to work. So let's see. So first you need some files from it. This first is the index.js, where you need to define the function. Like I am going to use the crypto.js and decrypting the uh, our message. I have written the function here. Then you need the gyp file. Here it is simply specify, it's like a cmake file. It See, it's saying the dependency, target name, source, and yeah, then you need one .cc file, which it's not going to use, but just it is need for the build and used to initialize the add-on. And then you need package.json. Just copy the script for the build. We are using the node-gyp rebuild. And these four files. So after that, what you need to install, first you need to install the node-gyp pkg, and hit the npm install here. So I am going to do the same. I have already all the package there and node, so I'm simply going to npm install. Yeah, after that you need to run the build. Npm run, just to be make sure. Yeah, so after the build complete, you are going to get uh, yeah, esdecrypt.lib and the node one. So th these library you get, and now uh, like all these things are now compiled into that library. Now we need the standalone JS, where we uh, simply provide the argument which we are taking from the exe, and uh, eh, and call the decrypt function, which we specify in the index.js. So just put in the standalone.js here, and you need to call this function, this command. So yeah, after doing that, you can see that you got aes So you can simply even use it just to be sure that it is working or not. You can give the argument something like this. I am not going to provide the secret key, and like using this it will going to work. So currently not able to decrypt because this is a false value, so I am getting nothing. You can try, you will get it. Yeah, so all of this, now you got a .exe file. Now even if you don't have any node install or anything, still it is going to work with the command line. So how we can use this in the C++? So we are going to simply just here is the code to find the decrypt.exe, and then making a process with a child process, and here we are running the command, and then uh, simply reading the output from it. Yeah, so uh, that's how it is working. I will post the code in the comment section. You can check it once. I will also show you by line by line. Yes, so after that, if you going to hit run, then it's going to work. Yeah, currently I give the false value. That's what decrypt text is the thing. So that's how you can call a JavaScript function in the C++.